Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix your PlayStation 5 if it keeps turning off. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. You're gonna find the list that includes all of your games and application installed. Right here, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus, PlayStation Store. And in the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. Right here, you're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and right here, you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, if your PlayStation 5 keeps turning off, maybe you set a timer on your PlayStation 5. If you want to check that, go to settings and then right here you're gonna find accessibility, network, users and account, family and parental controls, system and so on. Go ahead and click on system and then right here you're gonna find system software, HDMI, VPN Lite, language, date and time, remote play, and here you're gonna find power saving. Go ahead and click on it and then here you're gonna find set time until PS5 enters rest mode. Set how long your PlayStation 5 can stay inactive before it automatically enters rest mode. Go ahead and click right here and then once you do that you're gonna be right here. So if you set a timer, for example on 20 minutes or something, go ahead and remove it. You can set it to don't put in rest mode if you don't want your PlayStation 5 to turn on off at all. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.